What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to protect and preserve your car's door seals and weather stripping. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor and subscribe. Click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it, guys. Alright, so what I'm talking about is all these seals that go around your door. All these seals, the bottom, all the way around. They're on your trunk, they're on your hatchback, what have you, all the way around your car. These rubber door seals, they're kind of foamy and rubber, and these things over time will deteriorate and crack, so this is going to help prevent that. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take a soapy towel and we're going to go and clean all that weather stripping first. Make sure we get all the dirt off of it. Get it nice and clean and dry. Alright, so what we're going to be using today is some silicone paste, and you can actually get it in a spray form, but I like to use the regular paste on the seals. What this spray stuff is great for is spraying in your window track seals. That'll help the windows go up and down real smooth. I'll go ahead and put some links in the description to both of these. So we're just going to put a little of this silicone paste on a clean rag. And then what you're going to want to do is we're just going to start working this into the rubber. This is going to preserve it. This is also really going to help if you guys live somewhere where it's cold. Your doors can freeze shut. This will prevent it from freezing shut as well. An old sock works really good. So we'll just gently rub it into the weather stripping until it has a nice light shine. You don't have to put too much, just so you can massage it in, get a nice little light coating on it. So do this weather stripping and then do the weather stripping also on the door. And we're also going to come around to the window and do these seals all the way around the window. Get these nice and shine. Now don't forget these seals underneath the hood as well. These experience a lot of wear and tear from all the engine heat. Now you only need to do this around once or twice a year. Alright guys, I just finished up, and that's how to preserve all your door seals. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do me a favor, if you're new, subscribe. Click the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Johnny DIY. Keep on dating yourself. Take care.